Most people think AI ads means one thing. You pick a fake avatar, you write a script, and then you hit generate. And honestly, that's a pretty big reason why AI ads still look like AI ads. But what if I told you that there are 5 completely different styles of AI ads that you could use for your next piece of content or ad creative? And over the next 10 minutes or so, I'm going to walk you through each style, when to use them, and how to actually create them inside of ArcAds. And by the end of this video, you will have a full created playbook for utilizing AI ads inside of your content strategy. So let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing that we want to do inside of ArcAds is actually just create a new project. So we just come up here at the top, we just hit a new project, and then we are just going to call this ArcAds demo. And once that's done, you will see that we have a couple of different things that we can do down here. We have a ton of different actors, obviously, that we can choose from. But if we go to the see more button right here, you can see that we have a bunch of different models that we can choose from, Cdance to Kling 2.6 to Cdream and VEO3 to different tools that we can use like a skin enhancer or Kling 01, the video editor, or even replacing a actor. Lastly, we have different presets that we can test, from fashion try-ons to product showcases to unboxing POVs. And so for the first style that we want to go through is the classic UGC studio that we all know and love, which is basically where we have an AI avatar talking about our product or discussing a certain problem or solution or whatever. So we're going to go right here and we are going to choose one of the actors. You can see right here.
Welcome to ArcAds.
Hey you, welcome to ArcAds.
Hey you, welcome to ArcAds.
They obviously all have different styles, tones, and scenes that we can choose from. So for this one, I am just going to choose a female, and I'm also going to choose a pool setting. And you can see right here that we have a couple of different scenes and actors to choose from now. So I'm going to go.
Hey you, welcome to ArcAds. I'm one of the natural AI actors you can use for your ads.
We're going to go with Violet.
Create a script.
And in that case, we have our actor right here. We're just going to click Add Actors. And then for the next thing that we need to do is actually write or generate the script that we're going to have the avatar using. So I'm just going to write up a quick script and I will be right back. Okay, we have our script, and this could be a hook potentially for some sort of like sunscreen product or skincare solution, but we essentially have a hook right here, TikTok style hook. Our AI avatar is basically going to talk about how every sunscreen they tried is either super greasy or gives them acne. So we have the script right here, and there are a couple of options that I want to show you. The first one is that we can add emotions down here at the bottom. And you can either have just like ArcAds do this automatically, or you can actually come in and kind of like adjust these as you want. But I really like how this came out. Frustrated, sighs, firmly, exasperated, sarcastic. This is fine. We can also come down here and we can add under settings, we can add the speed. So I'm just going to speed this up a little bit. We have the stability, similarity, and then we have a style exaggeration. I'm just going to keep all of this as standard for now, and then we'll just see how this turns out.
Why is it that every sunscreen is either greasy or gives you acne? Like, I've tried so many, and every time my skin breaks out. I want to wear sunscreen, but I'm not sacrificing my face for it. White cast, clogged pores, random pimples. It's actually exhausting. There are literally no good sunscreens.
I mean, that was pretty good. I think the white cast, the clogged pores part wasn't amazing, but overall, especially with a little bit of editing here, this could be really good. So we're just going to generate the entire video right here, and then we'll take a look at how that comes out. Okay, so we have the first generation ready, so let's take a look.
Why is it that every sunscreen is either greasy or gives you acne? Like, I've tried so many, and every time my skin breaks out. I want to wear sunscreen, but I'm not sacrificing my face for it. White cast, clogged pores, random pimples. It's actually exhausting. There are literally no good sunscreens.
And that was it, the first video done. Obviously towards the middle part right here, you can kind of like tell that the lip sync is a little bit off, but we can trim around that and edit the video to make it a little bit more natural looking. But for a one-shot effort, I thought that was really, really good. Okay, we are moving on to style number 2, which is the hook remixer. And the idea with this tool or preset is to essentially grab a winning hook that you have found, so a winning or viral hook that you saw on Instagram Reels or TikTok, and reproduce that hook with your AI avatar. Okay, so I wanted to pull a viral TikTok video around electrolytes and hydration, and I found this video right here. So we're just gonna take a quick look at this and then we're gonna download it.
The questions and confusion around electrolytes are why I hate the fitness industry. Marketing and supplement companies have confused people to where they don't understand that salt, potassium, magnesium, and chloride are electrolytes. Electrolytes aren't
Cool, and we can obviously see that this has a pretty solid amount of engagement, so we know that this hook style did really well. So we're gonna download this and use this for our hook. Okay, so we have the video downloaded and we are now using the hook repurposer inside of ArcAds. As you can see right here, we have the video uploaded and then we can either describe our product and add in a image if we want to. I'm just gonna do electrolytes as hydration right here because we essentially literally just want to clone this video and see how it turns out. So I'm just gonna keep the prompt super simple and we are gonna generate this and then let's see how it turns out. Okay, we are back and we now have the second video ready. I also went ahead and rendered a couple more examples in the meantime, but let's take a look at style number 2.
The question is confusion around electrolytes and why I hate the fitness industry. Marketing and supplement companies have confused people to where they don't understand that salt, potassium, magnesium, and chloride are electrolytes.
Honestly, I thought that was really solid. We even have the hat, the glasses, and the earbuds right here, which is pretty spot on. Obviously, in post-production, we can add things like captions. We can add the TikTok question box right here. But for raw video output, I think this came out really, really solid. And that was style number 2. Now you essentially know how to replicate or clone any viral hook that you want with a click of a button. Okay, so moving on to style number 3, and that is the actor swap. So let's say you have a winning ad where the hook is amazing, the tonality or the script is just perfect, but you want to test a different actor or a different demographic or whatever. Well, inside of ArcAds, we can do exactly that. So let me show you how. To get started, we just hit the See More button right here and then under Tools and Replace Actor, you will find it. So what you want to do is upload a reference video and a character image that you want to place in the original video. So in our case, we're going to use this video as our reference video.
I'm in Switzerland right now, and every time I'm visiting a new country, I have to make my way over to McDonald's to see what different types of food they have. So I'm about to walk to McDonald's right now, and I wanted to take you guys.
And we're going to use this reference image. So we're basically just going to upload this right now and then we'll see how it all turns out. Okay, we have the video right here and then we're going to do the same for the image. Then we have the image right here. Then we just hit enter and then we're good to go. Okay, we have the finished render. So let's take a look at the video.
I'm in Switzerland right now, and every time I'm visiting a new country, I have to make my way over to McDonald's to see what different types of food they have. So I'm about to walk to McDonald's right now, and I wanted to take you guys with me to try all the new stuff.
Okay, you made it to the good stuff.
Okay, I think that came out really good. The lip sync was even really spot on, so I'm super happy with how that turned out. Okay, style number 3 done, and you now basically have the option to change any actor in a video that you want in seconds. This is obviously amazing when it comes to testing if a different demographic or different actor will change performance without having to rebuild the entire video from scratch. Okay, moving on to style number 4, and this is the motion control video. Now, these are obviously the more viral TikTok dance type of videos that we've all seen. I see this more as a content play versus something that you'll actually run in paid ads, but it is a great way to, again, scale out more content without having to hire UGC actors or spend a big budget on production. And once you're back inside of ArcAds, we just hit the See More button again right here, and then we locate Kling 2.6 motion control. And as with the last example, we basically upload a reference video and a character that we want to place in that scene. And for this test, I basically want to do a very simple TikTok dance video and place the female model in that scene instead. So let's take a look at the original video first, and then we'll take a look at our render afterwards. And then same as last time, we upload our reference video and the image character, and then we let ArcAds take care of the rest. Okay, the render is done, so let's take a look at the finished result. Again, I think that came out super close to the original video, which was super cool to see. Now, with that said, I don't really think this type of style is very suitable for paid ads. I think this is more of a content play where you find some sort of viral trend on TikTok or IG Reels and want to replicate it with your own character. But again, a great way to scale content production without having to have a big production or hire your own UGC creators. Okay, moving on to the final example here, and this is the product showcase feature where you can have any AI avatar holding your product and talking about it. Now for this one, you have a couple of different styles or ways you can do it. I usually go to presets right here, and then I will choose an actor. So let's just find one that looks suitable for us. I'm gonna go with her, and then we're just gonna hit the remix button right here. And then we're gonna upload a image of our product. And then I'm just gonna add in a very short description of the product, and then we're just gonna hit enter. Okay, the render is done, so let's take a look at the final example.
This is your effortless, instant, dewy glow that actually lasts all day. No touch-ups, no heavy feel. Just tap it on, let the light catch it, and enjoy fresh, radiant skin.
Okay, another awesome example right there. And what I really like about this video is that it doesn't really have that high production vibe to it. It looks like it's shot on an iPhone and really gives that more organic, authentic feeling to it, which is obviously super important when it comes to UGC videos. But one thing that I want to point out is that while the video itself kind of like has that iPhone vibe to it, you can still see that the details on the Glossier bottle right here is spot on, which is obviously super important to keep the realism of the video as well. Okay, and there you have it, the 5 different styles of AI UGC ads that you can create today. If you want to try this yourself, I will link to ARC ads in the description below. And if you want to see how I would build an entire ad campaign from scratch using only AI, make sure to subscribe because that's my next video. But with that said, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.